Now, a jury's heard that the ex-News of the World editor Andy Coulson was not in the newspaper's offices on the day a reporter claims he played him a hacked voicemail. Dan Evans had alleged Mr. Coulson listened to the message, which had been left by Sienna Miller on the actor Daniel Craig's answer phone. But in cross-examination at the Old Bailey this afternoon, Mr. Coulson's barrister suggested there was not a word of truth in Mr. Evans's evidence. Well, our Home Affairs correspondent Andy Davies was in court. So this is Mr. Evans' fourth day in the witness box, isn't it?
Yes, and it produced some of the most forceful exchanges to date in this trial. At one point, when Dan Evans was told that his evidence was going to be challenged, he countered with, "Bring it on." This is a trial, in part, which is looking at how high up went the phone hacking at the News of the World. And here you had a former reporter there, Dan Evans, prosecution witness, coming into the witness box and saying that he played, on a particular day in 2005, a hacked voicemail message from Daniel Craig's phone to an approving editor, Andy Coulson. But Andy Coulson's barrister today said that couldn't be possible because Andy Coulson wasn't in the office on that day. He wasn't even in London that day. So what have you got to say about that? At which point, Dan Evans said it definitely happened, but might have happened on another day. Many aspects of his account were challenged today. It was put to him that there wasn't call data to support the claim he'd made that he'd hacked Daniel Craig's phone, at which point he said, "I'm not here to make things up. Why would I bother? This isn't a fun experience for me."
Just briefly, he did admit getting some of the evidence wrong, didn't he?
Yes, regarding a Sienna Miller voicemail message, he said today that actually it might have been Sienna's sister. He was accused repeatedly of inventing facts to fit his story, but stuck to his claim throughout that he did play a hacked voicemail message to Andy Coulson in 2005. Mr. Coulson and all the other defendants deny the charges against them.
Andy, thank you very much.